How to use Trust and Will online trust creation properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most people think creating a trust online with Trust and Will is quick and risk-free, but the surprising truth is that beginner mistakes can cause costly errors or invalidate your estate plan. The first mistake is choosing the wrong type of trust. Trust and Will offers living trusts, testamentary trusts, and more. Beginners often pick without understanding which suits their goals, leading to tax inefficiencies or probate complications. Another common error is incomplete beneficiary information. Missing names, relationships, or contingent beneficiaries can create disputes or delay asset distribution. Always enter full and accurate details. Many users also overlook state-specific rules. Estate laws vary, and beginners who ignore local requirements risk invalid or non-compliant trusts. Trust and Will asks for your state, but double-checking compliance is wise. Failing to designate a trustee properly is another pitfall. Beginners may leave this blank or choose someone unsuitable. A reliable trustee ensures your wishes are carried out efficiently. Finally, some users forget to update their trust. Life events like marriage, divorce, or new children require revisions. Beginners who neglect updates may leave outdated instructions in effect. To use Trust and Will properly, select the correct trust type, enter complete beneficiary information, verify state compliance, designate a trustworthy trustee, and update as needed. Avoid these mistakes and your online trust will protect your assets and fulfill your wishes.